अपनी फिटनेस के लिए एक छोटा सा स्टेप सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
Hi guys, this is Vicky from Versatile Vicky channel and you're watching me on OZiva TV. Today I'm going to share with you a 1200 calorie diet plan for weight loss which will also help target your belly fat. For breakfast we have apple almond high protein oat shake. This shake is easy to make, very filling, tasty and refreshing. It is going to give you a healthy morning dose of fruit, grain and proteins all together. So let's get started with the ingredients we would need to make this very filling weight loss drink. The very first ingredient we need is an apple cut into cubes. Any variant will do depending on the availability and your preference. I promote apples a lot in my videos as they are low in calories and high in fiber. It reduces visceral belly fat with zero side effects. Next I'm adding 4 to 5 ice cubes to make it cool and refreshing. Next goes in 1 tablespoon of oats. Oats have beta-glucan which regulates our hunger hormones. They also have protein and nutrients like magnesium, copper, calcium, iron, etc. Next I'm adding 5 almonds. Almonds help in reducing belly fat. After almonds I'm adding a scoop of protein powder. Adding protein powder is an easy way to add more protein to your diet. OZiva Protein and Herbs contain protein, multivitamins, Ayurvedic herbs, and plant extracts like guduchi, green tea, cinnamon, which boosts your metabolism. It is soy-free, gluten-free, and does not contain any artificial sweeteners or preservatives. For sweetness, I'll be squeezing in about a teaspoon of honey. Honey has essential hormones which suppress appetite and aids in weight loss. Lastly, I'm adding a cup of skimmed milk, which is fat-free milk. Milk provides energy and boosts your metabolism. Now blend all well for 30 to 60 seconds depending on your blender speed. Top it up with some crushed almonds the way I have done. And now, as you can see, our high protein weight loss breakfast shake is ready. The shake will keep you full for at least 2 to 3 hours. Next for lunch, take a bowl of dal with brown rice and a glass of buttermilk. You may use any dal like moong, masoor or tuar dal. These dals are rich in protein and fiber and are heart-friendly. Brown rice is a whole grain and is much higher in fiber, vitamins and minerals compared to white rice. Buttermilk encourages digestion, prevents dehydration and helps lose weight. In the evening, take a portion of fruit of your choice along with 5 almonds and a cup of green tea. For dinner, have 2 whole wheat or any gluten-free flour rotis like ragi or kuttu ke aate ki roti along with sabzi made with palak, soya or methi. Here I'm showing 2 buckwheat rotis with palak ki sabzi. Buckwheat is gluten-free, hence perfect for people who are gluten intolerant. Making buckwheat dough is easy. Here I'm showing you the measurements of making approximately 4 buckwheat rotis. Take a bowl and add 1 cup of buckwheat flour. Next add 3/4 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt and around 3/4 cup of hot water and make a soft dough. Adjust the quantity of water and flour to get a soft dough. Ensure to keep the dough a bit on the drier side and not wet. Now leave it aside for 15 minutes. Next, make medium-sized balls. Sprinkle some buckwheat flour and roll them into rotis with the help of a rolling pin. Do not try rolling them too thin as they are gluten-free and will be difficult to handle. Once the rotis are rolled, use a lid of a saucepan or something similar to shape them round. Next, heat a griddle or tawa and start cooking rotis. When the color of roti changes a bit, you will see it turning white on top, then give a flip and cook for another 30 seconds. Apply some ghee or clarified butter in the end to keep them soft and our buckwheat roti is done. This diet will help you lose weight and can be done by anyone, starting with working men to women, homemakers, college students, etc. It is also safe for those suffering with diabetes, PCOS and thyroid. Along with this, exercising is also important to target belly fat. So check out the description box below for the recommended exercises. For more such diet plans, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to OZiva TV. Bye-bye.